Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at the Mantis Pod 2.0 from PGY Tech, which is this guy right here. This is how it looks. So yeah, let's go over the build quality really quick. The build quality on this thing is amazing. The plastic feels really good, doesn't feel cheap or anything. It's very high quality. And you actually have an Arca Swiss plate up here at the top, and you also have 3 points of adjustments. You have this knob right here for the ball head, and you also have this big button right here where you press and you can actually move it around. And then you have another smaller button right below the big button that you press right here, and this is how you can actually adjust the legs. Opens up like that, so basically you can turn it into a tabletop tripod, and you can get really low with this thing. This is like the lowest setting right there. Actually has two settings, so you would basically press this little small button right here again, and you're gonna hear it click into place. So there you go. So it's a little bit higher now, you know, when you set it down on the table. So yeah, you can use this for video, you can use this for photography as well. So like when you're out there shooting, you know, and you want to get them low shots, you know, you can mount your camera there, set this down, and being that it's on a tripod, it's going to give you some extra stabilization as well, which is awesome. And you can use this thing for vlogging. So if you were going to vlog with this thing, you would just close the legs up like that, mount your camera up on here, and there you go, you're vlogging. And then the Arca Swiss plate up here, you have basically 2 points of security, you know, so you don't have to worry about your camera falling off. You have this little lever right here, which basically actually, let's do this. Let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see. Okay, it's open right now, so go ahead and take that off. That's your Arca Swiss plate right there, and let's go ahead and put it back on. So basically it hooks right there. You just hook it on there, and okay, what am I doing wrong? Okay, so yeah, you're gonna hook it on there, press it down, it snaps into place, and then you have this lever right here. You're gonna pull this lever back and it locks it even more, so you don't have to worry about your camera sliding off of there. And that's pretty awesome, man. You got 2 points of security right there. So you have this lever, and then you have this little latch that you pull down right here, and that releases the plate. Okay, what am I doing wrong? When I use this thing, it goes on really quick. Okay, my bad. You hook it right there, and then you press down, and it snaps right into place. There you go. Okay, so again, you have 3 different points of adjustment. You have the ball head right there. You adjust the knob. Then you have this big knob right here, which you can adjust. And then you have this smaller one right here where you adjust the legs. And then down here at the bottom, you see, let's go ahead and open this back up again. So down here at the bottom, you have this little latch. You pull it down like that, and basically this, you can hook it onto something, and then you use the legs to prop it into place when your camera's mounted on here, so it's secure to whatever you attached it to. And you can use it as a talking head, or for vlogging, you know, you can vlog off of a fence or something or whatnot. But yeah, and over here you have a place, you have like a cold shoe mount right here. So say for instance you want to mount a microphone to it right there. You just go ahead and slide your microphone on there, tighten it up in place. There you go. And this thing actually rotates too, so you can rotate it to position the mic, you you know, to whatever direction you want it to go. And you just unscrew it and slides right off. There you go. And for the Arca Swiss plate, to mount it onto the camera, it actually has an Allen wrench screw right there. So basically they provide you with two Allen wrenches. They give you a small one and a big one. You're going to be using this big one right here. So that's basically what you're going to use to mount it to your camera. So yeah, let me go ahead and actually mount this to a camera right now and show you guys. So just go ahead and screw it on, hand tighten it, and then take the provided Allen wrench and just give it a little turn. There you go. And you just take your camera. Get this right this time. There you go. And then pull this little lever back right there, and there you go. Your camera's locked into place, guys. So you can actually vlog, you can do video with this. And what I really like about this too is when you're doing video, you can actually pull the leg out. Okay, let me see. Okay, press this button, move this forward, and you can bring this back even more. So yeah, like when you're doing videos, let's do it that way. Okay, so yeah, say for instance you're doing some video, you know, you can actually use these legs for stabilization. Look at that. Yeah, this thing is awesome, guys. This is a must-have. You know, if you're doing photography, if you're doing videography, or just vlogging, you know, this thing is gonna be awesome. Yeah, before I close out this video, guys, I just forgot to add something. If you guys own the Peak Design anchor clip, which is this thing right here, you attach it to your bag, and you can attach your camera to your bag. So basically you press this button here and you can take your camera off and you can actually anchor it back to your bag again. Yeah, I would like to just say that this is actually compatible with the PGY Tech Mantis Pod 2.0. So basically it pretty much works the same way. If this was attached to your camera, this is the one from the Peak Design anchor clip. You can actually take your camera off of your anchor clip and you can attach it to here. So basically you can remove your camera from here when you're not using this, attach your camera to the Peak Design anchor clip, which is really convenient, and then reattach it to here again, vice versa. So they are compatible, and as you can see, it's locked into place. It's not coming out. This is the Peak Design Arca Swiss plate from the anchor clip. So basically you just do the same thing, release that, and it comes right off. Alright guys, so yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys found this video helpful in any way, please comment. If you have any questions, like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Peace.